Hey guys, it's Brandon, aka B.Rich Beauty, aka your beauty best friend. Yes, that's me. Welcome back to the channel. What we doing today? Well, baby, can y'all believe it's already October? I can't believe it, but we are here, and October is one of my favorite seasons because it's pumpkins and spice and everything naughty and nice, and I feel so fall inspired today. So we are going to do just that. I went shopping. I got my hands on some new things, y'all. So we're going to unbox those together, maybe even bang out a look and make it fall inspired. So you know what to do. Grab that beverage. Let go. Chile. What y'all sipping on over there? Baby, I wish I was sipping on something exciting today, but let me show y'all what I'm sipping on. Water. Listen, I am on Project Halloween Snatch Back This Body 2020. I'm even fancy. I got a little lemon wedges in here, honey. But yes, darling, I said summer body was not a thing this summer for me, but what I am gonna give you is a little Halloween body. So I need to be able to show a little bit of chesticles and a little bit of my 2 pieces of the biscuit with some thighs and legs. So I said in order to do that, I need to be disciplined for the next 3 weeks. So as we go through this, y'all sip and make sure y'all take a good old sip and send me some of that energy because I'm gonna be sipping on this. So I went shopping the other day. Yes, I go shopping for makeup too. And I stumbled upon this item that I've been super excited about and wanted to try for a very long time. Finally got my hands on it, made some time to actually get my hands on it, right? It's the Too Faced chocolate bar. Ooh, baby. Not only did I hear that this smells delicious, the colors on the back are amazing. So I said we would swatch some of this together. Maybe we'll create a little fall inspired look, and it already feels heavy and feels classy. And you know I wouldn't be a Georgia peach if I didn't go ahead and get this Sweet Peach Glow palette as well from Too Faced. This is a highlight palette, so we're gonna play around with this today, but let's start first with this chocolate bar and bite into it. Yes, chocolate for all this chocolate. Let's talk about it. So, ooh, shiny, 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 and I already got a fingerprint on it. Lord Jesus, can't have nice things. Anyways, so look, it comes with a little card inside that says chocolate gold, how to glamour guide. Oh, it's a little glamour guide. You have Love and Cocoa, Razzle Dazzle, and on the back, Your Money. Ooh, so this one is Love and Cocoa, Razzle Dazzle, and Your Money. So this helps. If you're new to makeup, this actually helps. It gives you step-by-step tutorial of where to apply things. We're not gonna use this. We're gonna create our own feel and our own schmood today. But let's open this up. Ooh. What? Look at that guy. Oh my sweet gherkins. Shimmer, shimmer, shimmer. I hope there's not all shimmer. Oh no, there's some mattes in here. Child, I got a little nervous. I was about to say, I'm not trying to look like Frostation, honey. I know we about to be in the holiday season, but I'm not trying to look like the holiday. But look at these beautiful frosted jewel tones. And it smells like a good cup of hot chocolate. A good cup of hot chocolate. Oh my God. All right, so let's play around. I'm gonna start with Money Bags here. Money Bags seems to be this money, money, money green. Let's swatch. Wow. Look at the payoff. Sorry, look at the payoff. Ooh, that's gorgeous. Oh, we're gonna use this because I love a good POC, pop of color. And I love to incorporate pops of color, and it doesn't have to be a bold, loud pops of color. Like your pops of color doesn't have to be a shout, it can be a whisper. We're gonna use this pop of color today. Ooh, yes. All right, next up is Love and Cocoa, which is this. It looks like it's bronzy, it looks like there's some purple flecks in there. It's almost like a bronze metal. Look at that. But look how it's literally one swipe and it's opaque coverage. Ooh, my favorite, honey. Make it holla for $1. Don't do nothing strange for no piece of change. Yes, all right, we're gonna do holla for $1. Almost like a black and green. Yes, it's like a twofer. A little black undertone, it almost looks like a black and gold green. Oh, this is very, yes. Okay, so maybe like a black and gold. I'll take that. Yes, I'll take a black and gold. But it does have a little bit of an olivey green undertone to it. Oh, look at that. How pretty is that? Child, you know this one gotta be a good one if it comes in this extra large size, because you know size matters. This one is called Chocolate Gold. Let's put the pinky in this and gold me down, baby. Oh, money, 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 money. Money, yes. Y'all see this gold? Ooh, ow, expensive. This one is called Old Money. We like old money, child. And that newfangled new money. Ooh, look at this little fiery orange thing here. Yes, copper. Looking like a new penny. Shiny as a new penny in me. I'd rather be a new penny than a penny with a hole in it. Gold dip, yes, everything that I dream about at night being gold dipped. Ooh, this is a champagne color. These are blowing my mind. They're shimmery, they're metallic, they're smooth, they're not chunky. Look how beautiful that is. Yeah, I love a good champagne, honey. Pop the bottles, ow. This one, now y'all know I said I prefer old money, but new money is good too. And this is new money. Ooh, this looks like fuchsia, and this looks like this is about to be real sexy. Yep, yeah, look at that. Ooh, come on. If y'all were wearing this eyeshadow, I would do some heroin or smoke plum lipstick by MAC Cosmetics. Ooh, 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 ooh. Look at that. This might be my favorite, Living Lavish. She's purple. Y'all know how I feel about the color purple, honey. I think it pisses God off to walk past the color purple in a field of greens and not acknowledge it. We're about to acknowledge this purple. Rocks on rocks on rocks on rocks. Look at that. I want to break out of the Color Purple soundtrack so bad for y'all. Like the color purple. Where do it come from? Open up your eyes. Look what God has done. A little rap battle for y'all. A little poetry slam jam. Look how pretty that is. Ooh. Next up, Rich Girl. She's a rich girl. Let's see what she looks like. Ooh, yeah. Now this is almost like a warm, it's hard to tell, but if you can look against my skin, this is almost like a warm silver. So it's not as cool, but there looks like to be a little bit of warmth, maybe like a little bit of a bleach bronzy or a bleach champagne color. That's pretty. Ooh, she's gorgeous. That's a good glow in the dark nightlife cut crease type of eyeshadow. Yes. Next one is called Famous. This one also looks like it has a little bit of that bronzy effect to it. So let's check the depth. Yes. So whereas the other ones were a little bit of like coppery, she looks like a real 24 karat gold, honey. Yes, honey, money. We're gonna do Drippin' in Diamonds next. Now, Drippin' in Diamonds look real silver, like my shirt, and it is. Winter is coming. Look how silver she is. Yes, yes, yes. Let's do a little Cocoa Truffle. This is matte, because y'all know y'all need matte shadows to break up all this metallic. Don't be running around here stacking up these metallics like Lego blocks, looking like Frostacia, her cousin, Dripacia, and Frostbiteacia. Exactly. That Frostbiteacia? Go with it. Look how soft and silky this one is. So it's matte, a little satiny, and it's a medium tone brown that has a little bit of pink undertone to it. Y'all sipping? Y'all making notes? How y'all doing out there? Next one is called Classy and Sassy. Let's grab a little of that on the finger. Ooh, okay, so this is like more like almost like a peachy frost. Yeah, like an apricot type of frost. We're gonna start from here and work our way up. Or I should say down. This is called Rolling in Dough, another matte color, a nice cream colored shadow. Now, I don't know if y'all know, but my middle name really isn't David, because you know, some people think it's Brandon David, but really it's Brandon So Bougie David. Absolutely. This is so bougie. I feel attacked. I feel like this was named on my behalf. Thank you, Too Faced. So Bougie right here. Another mid-tone brown, but this has a little bit of a cooler undertone to it. A little bit of a grayer undertone to it. Nice little crease color. And then Decadent, honey. She giving me all of black, like the Grim Reaper, like the grip of death, black, black, charcoal black, blackity black, black. Yes, let's see. And she is just that. Black, charcoal black, blackity black, black, midnight, oil. Yes, everything. Look how dark and that almost looks like the color of my hair because you know all this is so natural. Look how nice and black that is. Ow. See you. This palette is real cute and there's 16 colors in here. Sorry, you're just gonna end up, let me do it this way. There's 16 colors in here. So there is a lot of looks you can create as we're entering fall. So I don't know about y'all, but I feel a little fall inspired. We're gonna do an eyeshadow look utilizing this. But before we do that, y'all wanna see this highlight palette? Because I wanna open it up. Because it just looks like I wanna take a bite out of it. It just looks juicy. So, Sweet Peach Glow. I couldn't resist. I saw a peach, I got excited. Y'all know I'm from Atlanta. Ooh, look at it. Now, this looks like this can be quite springtime, summer, obviously because of peachiness, but I feel like these colors will be oh, look, there's a little how-to guide for your placement. All right, I love a good how-to. It smells just like, oh, it smells like one of them candies, honey. Yes, look how pretty that is. So it looks like this might be blush. This looks like these are two highlighters. So let's just go ahead and swatch first. These aren't named, so we're gonna go from left to right. Let's do a little swatch here. Y'all know I love my highlight by MAC, the Hyper Real in House of Petunia, that limited edition with Tiana Taylor, but that's gorgeous. On me, this is what it looks like on the finger. On me, it's just a nice soft wash of peach. This is what it looks like on the finger. And we're gonna do it right here. And it looks so, oh, that's pretty. It's like almost like against my skin, just gives the skin a little bit of glow. So we're gonna play around with this, but let's get started with the eyes. So just so you know, obviously I have my face, brows, contour on. Everything I'm gonna be using today, including what I already have on, will be in the description of this video. So go ahead and check that out. If you have any questions, boom, the description is where you can find the answer. Let's get started. Let me take a sip. I wish this was champagne. I wish this was champagne. I wish this was champagne. You know, sometimes you gotta visualize what you want, child. And that's the skinny waist and 6 abs. Ah! So first up, a little Shadow Insurance by Too Faced. This gives me 24 hours of crease-resistant wear on my eyes. So we're gonna do a little bit of that. Bloop, on the back of my hand. Grab your fluffy brush. Grab your Shadow Insurance. Softly glide it across the eyelid, all over. Take a little. You can sweep underneath here. If you want to do eye makeup underneath as well. Now I told y'all, we're gonna utilize money bags, but I think I'm gonna also do a little bit of Love and Cocoa on the lid, maybe money bags underneath, and we'll do a little cocoa truffle in the socket just to kind of like bring it all together. So I'm taking my fluffy brush, I'm grabbing a little bit of cocoa truffle, tapping off the excess. I'm gonna start closer to the lid. Then I'm just gonna bring this up and work it in the socket just to warm my eye up. I'm gonna even pull this up just a little to the brow. Give myself a little bit of a faux contour. This has this huge mirror in here, so you can do even your eye makeup at the light or in a parked car, okay? So starting right in the center for placement so we can evenly blend this out and just back and forth. Let's take a little cocoa truffle and go underneath as well. Use a flat brush, my 252 by MAC. I'm gonna take, again, Love and Cocoa, and I'm gonna start right in the center of the lid. Rest the brush to get the color on, and I'm just gonna lift up and go side to side to spread it out. Oh, look at that. Love and Cocoa. Add a little bit more. Let's really make this intense. Then I'll grab the fluffy brush, the blending brush, just to kind of blend out any lines. Yeah, that's pretty. I'm gonna take Teddy Eyeliner by MAC and just do a little along the lash line, just to deepen this up some. Doesn't have to be perfect, because we're just trying to create a little bit of a smokier effect here. See that? Take your pencil brush. I love a good pencil brush. And just gently smudge this out. And so this should just make the lash line appear a little bit more intense. and added a little bit of depth up top. Oh yeah, that's good. Take Graph Black eyeliner, and now we're gonna make it in tint underneath. So I'm gonna take this, it's gonna go right into the lash line first. Y'all know I got sensitive eyes, so I'm gonna work this in sections. We're gonna do this in the lash line first, blend that out, and then we'll do the waterline at the end. I'm going back with the pencil brush. We're gonna take the pencil brush just to softly diffuse this, just to get this warm and going. I'm telling you, a pencil brush is the difference between signing your eye makeup and pencil and or pen. Yes, make it look professional and polished, baby. Okay, now we're gonna take a little bit of this Decadent. Take a little bit of Decadent with my fluffy brush. And I'm just gonna put a little of that on top of the Graph Black and just slightly sweep that under to create a shadow and a little bit of a smokiness. Very lightly. All right, so now it's time for the money bags. Pencil brush, money bag, money bag, money bag. Underneath, start in the center. Ooh, look at that. Oh, you know what? Let's just make this actually a center thing. You know, you can use pops of color as accents. So if you don't want to do color all over, we can sandwich, this in. Yes. Money bags is cute, y'all. Y'all better get y'all some money bags. Secure the bag, sis. We're going in with the Graph Black in the waterline. Do y'all ever line underneath here? We're gonna do that too, just to make the lashes appear thicker. Right in the lash line, underneath, yes. It tickles, but if you can make it work, make it work. Look how much deeper and darker and sultrier this eye looks compared to this one by lining underneath as well. Fluffy brush, took a little bit more Decadent and just kind of like strengthen the corners so you can really sandwich this in. Yes. There we go. Lash curler. Curl these lashes. You know, if it ain't better than sex, I don't want it. Nice and thick and clumpy on the outer corners. Look at that. Y'all know I love a good dropped smoky eye. All right, y'all, let's go ahead and grab some of this sweet peach honey. Y'all know me. I can't help it. We going all in, all of it. Yes. Fan brush. Look how silky this is. Yes, and it smells so lovely. Just for a nice little subtle glow. Oh, this is a good one. This is a little good glow palette to have. This is like a junior glow palette. If you don't want like a high beam highlight, go for the Sweet Peach Glow, honey. If you want a highlight highlight, then we got some other things. You know, my Hyper Real and my Tiana Taylor, honey. Oh, yes. And before we get out of here, you know I can't go without a missed opportunity, honey. A little Too Faced 3-in-1 Hangover Setting Spray. Ooh, I love it. Coconut water, probiotics, all the good stuff for the skin to make the skin look its best. Oh, honey, do I look like you want to take a bite out of me? Do I look nice and succulent like a good old peach? Baby, these palettes are everything. So everything that I use today, again, guys, will be in the description of this video. I just want to take a bite out of this. Oh, anyways, I think I might actually create some more looks using this palette. There's so many more things we can play with in this. So stay tuned for some future videos. In the meantime, you know what to do. Subscribe to the channel if you like this video if you like. Most importantly, leave me a comment. Tell me what you think about this look. Ow, who loves you? Haha, I do. Take care of yourself, guys. See you next time. Bye.